Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove connected devices on your PC or laptop on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you don't wish to keep a paired Bluetooth device, it's easy to remove it using Settings, Device Manager, and Command Prompt. So in this video, I will show you how. On my previous video, I've shown you how to connect a Bluetooth headphone to your PC or laptop on Windows 11. And now, what if you want to remove it? It's so simple. So you can just open your Bluetooth on the taskbar on your PC or laptop. You can open the settings, and here you can see here's all the device that connected with your uh, device, with your PC or laptop, I mean. Now if you want to remove it, you can just open settings on your phone, on your PC or laptop. Open settings, you can go to Bluetooth and devices. So here's all the connected Bluetooth device. You can view more here. So you can just choose on the Bluetooth device that you want to remove. Maybe for the example, I want to remove this one. You can just click on the three dots over here, and there is an option remove device. You can just click on that. So it will remove from your PC or laptop. So simple, right? Let's do for this one too. There is an option remove device. You can just click on that. So that's it. How to remove the Bluetooth device that connect with your PC or laptop. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.